Welcome, my dear friends. I welcome you all. Today's video is regarding the Agada Tantra question papers. Myself is Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. My WhatsApp number is 922681060. My dear friends, my Ayurveda Academic channel is very useful for the students, teachers, and doctors because from the first year to the last year BMS and still medicine classes in GP. So these are the different menus in the playlist. So today we will fastly go through which are the important questions for the subject of Agada Tantra. Agada Tantra is a subject regarding the toxicology and medical jurisprudence. So, my dear friends, this topic is very important for your practice, especially when there is a air pollution, water pollution, medical legal problems. So, you must know how to treat the snake bite, how to treat the rabies, how to take care of the food adulterations. So, all these things come into the Agada Tantra subject of third year BMS. And while studying, 2 points are very important. One is the syllabus and second is question papers. So I have uploaded syllabus of all the subjects. I have uploaded the question bank question papers of each and every subject of Ayurveda. So please do visit Ayurveda Academy channel and subscribe my Academy channel. So this is start the Agata Tantra question papers. I will not going to read the formal, what you can say, the instructions by the university. We will directly see which are the questions important for your examination. Define antidote as per the modern science. Antidote and down, write down its types. Define Dushi Visha and write the signs and symptoms of Dushi Visha. Arishtabandhana, describe Arishtabandhana, that is application of tourniquet when there is a snake bite. Dagdhavrana, types of the thermal injuries as per the modern science. Then types of the fingerprints in medico legal importance to find out the victim. Okay. Mrityuttara, changes in the eyes after the death. Next, signs of Jayapal poisoning. Some plants, when they are taken in a impure form, can cause a damage to your vital organs. Then, symptoms and treatments of kerosene poisoning, common for the accidental or maybe purposefully intake of the kerosene to make the suicidal attempt. Symptoms of chronic lead poisoning, then chinna vrana, that is incised wound, then difference between hanging and strangulation, then types and powers of the different courts, district court, high court, supreme court. You must know these terms. Definition of rape as per the section 375 of Indian Penal Code. Describe the fatal dose, fatal period, signs and symptoms of poisoning, treatment, post-mortem, most important appearance, and medico-legal importance of Vatsnabh, that is Aconitum ferox, types of poisonous snakes, cobra, medico-legal importance of age, then define the summon and also describe court procedures in detail. Next, chronic mercury poisoning, then Shavotkanana, exhumation, types of the courts and their powers, Visha Sankata, then antemortem and postmortem burns, difference in between antemortem and postmortem. Describe Garavisha, duties of registered medical practitioner, causes, definition of sterility and explain the causes of sterility in the females, manifestations and management of methanol. Then post-mortem lividity, Marnottar Ranjana, classification of poison with examples according to the modern science. Main types of scorpion, and management of scorpion bite or scorpion sting. Explain civil responsibilities of insane, Manorugna, insane. Then write in detail fatal dose, fatal period, poisonous symptoms and treatment of opium, that is Ahifene in Ayurveda, Sanskrit. Write the types of injuries, and write in details about incised wounds. Then next, write general principles of management of poisoning according to the modern science and describe the removal of unabsorbed poison in detail. LAQ, 15 marks. What is personal identification? Write in detail medical legal aspect of age. Next question, definition of visha, types of burns as per the modern science. Then mrityakalika abhishaksha, dying deposition. Sthavar visha adhisthana, sthavar visha adhisthana, types of antidotes. Describe summons. Next, signs and symptoms of gunja visha, witness of a doctor, very important. Write in short, Consumer Protection Act 1986. Consumer Protection Act is now applied in the medical field as well. Types of death. Write in short, types of poisonous snakes according to the Ayurveda. Medical legal importance of asphyxial death. Shwasavarodh, asphyxial death. Aims of post-mortem examination. Why do we do the post-mortem examination? LAQ, write in detail fatal dose, fatal period, signs and symptoms, treatment and post-mortem findings of Kuchala Visha. Write the definition of rape and describe in detail medical legal examination of rape accused. Write in detail causes modifying the action of poison, Visha Prabhav. Prenatal Diagnostic Testing Act. In the pregnancy, we cannot determine the gender. Remember this thing. Next, we will go further. Okay, next question. Come on. Gambhira Kshata, that is grievous hurt. Dhattura Vishalakshana, 9D. 9 Ds of Dhattura poisoning. Right? Dowry death and its medical legal importance. Complications of criminal abortion. Powers of the high courts. Visha Data Lakshana. Next, intersex states. Write in short the gastric lavage procedure in the poisoning. Treatment. Describe the signs of recent delivery or in living. Write clothes examination in medico legal autopsy. Write manifestation of chronic arsenic poisoning. Dying declaration. Management of poisonous snakes bite according to the modern science. Write in detail fatal dose, fatal period, poisonous symptoms, treatment and medical legal aspect of sulfuric acid. Write in detail rigor mortis and changes in the eyes as per described in signs of death. Write in detail mantra, then utkartana, chushana and dhuma as described in Charakokta, in the Charak Samhita Upakrama. Next, write definition of rape as per Indian Penal Code IPC section 375 and write in detail medical examination of rape victim. Next question, write the identification mark of Ghunas, Russell viper. Russell viper. Write medical legal importance of Semicarpus anacardium, Bhallataka Bibba in Marathi. Write Vishadata Lakshana. What is meant by dowry death, Hunda Badi? Write the science of Pranabhisar Vaidya. Pranabhisar Vaidya. Enumerate the external and internal causes of asphyxia. Write about Human Organ Transplantation Bill 1994. Write difference between true and feigned insanity, madness. Medical evidence, Vaidyakiya Purava. Write the poisonous symptoms of carbon monoxide. Write the treatment according to the modern science of poisonous snake bite. Write the treatment of mercury poisoning. Explain the type of abrasion, apagharshana. Write the organization of forensic science laboratory, and explain the function of each division. Write the base for estimation of age and explain medical legal importance of age. Write the acute and chronic poisonous symptoms, treatment and medical legal importance of tobacco. Write the route of administration, absorption, excretion, and action of poison in the human. Next. So, this is all the important questions, question bank from Agadha Tantra subject. If you want private tuitions, private audios, private videos, private whatsoever notes, all these PDFs are available with myself, Pradhyapak Dr. Rajendra Raghuvir Deshpande. My mobile number, WhatsApp number, please write down 922681060. You are always welcome. These particular videos, you please share it, like it, give the comments, and don't forget to ask all your classmates and all your college students to subscribe my YouTube channel, which is very good channel for the students, teachers, and doctors. I wish all the best, not for examination, but for whole of your life. Take care. All the best for your exam and medical